Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. The Ethereum chart hasn't really moved much today. It was a rather quiet day, as a lot of charts are currently working through their corrective patterns. So no major changes today, no major updates, pretty much all charts still intact. I'm not aware of any invalidations anywhere today because it's really been quiet. So to explain, however, this is the micro count. Obviously, I talked about the daily chart in my previous video earlier today. Don't think there's a need to do that again. We can do that again tomorrow, possibly. You see here the two wave counts that I am focusing on. It is unclear to me at this stage on the smaller time frame which of these wave counts is going to unfold. I really don't have a very clear preference. It is really unclear. It's 50-50 on the smaller time frame. Again, to get a bit of an idea of the larger context, yeah, feel free to check out the last video because I talked about the bullish scenario, which is my clear preference on the daily time frame. But honestly, here on the smaller time frame, the question is literally about, do we get one more low or not? If we form one more low, then it's this small 5-wave structure that should unfold. And currently it's all about this 1-2 setup here in white, and a third wave down should follow, then maybe another 4-5 into the I would say we're probably going to target then the 2018 level, the 38.2 retracement, the way this looks at the moment. But again, I mentioned it in the last video, it really takes a break below 2170 to confirm that. That's this swing low here, actually the double bottom that formed on the 25th and the 23rd of January. First, yeah, you could say first confirmation, or at least an indication that the white count is clearly on control, would already be a break below 2242. So this swing low that was formed on the 1st of February. As long as this level is holding, however, the yellow count is plausible. The yellow count will become less likely with a break below that swing low that I just mentioned, okay? Because then we also break below the orange micro support, which is the micro support level for yellow wave 4. So one more high would be needed to confirm the yellow count. It's all about, I think there's no need to rush here. There's no need to make something up to force an unreliable wave count when the market hasn't clearly communicated yet what it wants to do on the smaller time frame. I think we can just relax, lean back, let the market tell us by breaking through one of these levels. And then I think we get the next setup. For example, we get a long trade setup once we have 5 waves up complete. Then we can add the support area in yellow circle wave 2. Yeah, this is one set. I mean, there is a setup on the screen, the orange box. I don't see it as very reliable, therefore it's only highlighted in orange just to indicate a little bit more risk and unclear probabilities. But we will have clearer probabilities once we get 5 waves up. So there's no need to impose our view on the market or make something up, because literally it's nearly 50-50. It's literally about, okay, do we get one more low or not? We're sort of in the, let's say, the final stages of this correction, and the market would tell us that the correction is likely over once it gives us the indication, the signal that there are 5 waves up complete. Then again, we're working with those 5 waves in yellow, and we're going to add a support area for the subsequent wave 2 pullback. If, however, we break below that last low, then this is a 1-2 setup. I mean, you could say it's a short trade setup because we had a wave 1 down and a wave 2 rally now into a resistance area. And as long as we are holding below 2,394, the white count is plausible. But again, is it high probability? At the moment, the probabilities are rather unclear, to be honest. Okay. So yeah, I think the levels are clear. And if we make another low is formed, I highlighted to you which levels will be relevant. Bear in mind, there will be some micro support here, structural support around 2,170. It's not only that, it's just above the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement of the larger wave 1 that topped in December. That was the 9th of December, so it's quite a relevant level as well. Yeah, and if we zoom out, it looks very corrective, this move to the upside. So what does that mean? It means a lot of overlapping price action. So therefore, it's only a 3-wave move now, but with one more high, we have 5. And that again indicates, even though it's only a diagonal then, but it at least gives us some confidence that a low has formed. The low could only have formed in a WXY structure again, which is problematic because WXY structures are incomplete corrections. They are very complex corrections, sometimes just unfinished, and therefore it takes additional evidence. We need more proof to decide that this is actually what happened. So unfortunately, they are the worst updates that I make. If I can't give you any updates on progress really, because nothing happened, but still want to give you your daily ETH update. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.